Welcome back. Now, also in your settings, you'll need to make sure to manage the customer notifications. You can do that in the notifications section. Now, each of the different kinds of orders can be customized for the individuals that you'll be communicating to. For example, let's assume that you want to customize the customer notification for an order refund. We'd click inside of this area, and what you're going to notice is that in this area, you're first going to see that there's going to be an email subject which you can customize. You'll also see that each of these notifications have variables that capture specific information. You'll need to scroll down to find the actual information that you're going to customize in terms of written content. And you'll see that information here near the bottom. If you were communicating by SMS, you can also customize that information. Once again, you'll see that the customer will get an SMS message. They'll also get that SMS message with specific variables. If you need to find out more about what the variables are communicating, you can click this link on the page. On this page, you'll get a description of the actual variables and what they communicate in case you want to change them to something other than the default setting. And just as before, we can send a test mail and we can preview the actual message as to how it's going to look inside of the customer's email. Now, one of the things that you're going to notice if you go to the Customize area and you go all the way to the bottom of your template, you're going to notice that this email will be going to the email address that you have set up with Shopify. If that's the case, one of the things that you may want to think about doing is taking your email address and forwarding the replies that you're going to get to this email address to a support desk or a support email address so that customer replies will be answered promptly. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.